everyone! I have the brand new Gibson double cut Les Paul Special. So they have finally reintroduced the double cut guitars back into the Gibson USA line. They come in both the junior variation as well as the special that I'm holding right here. Comes in 3 colors, ebony, TV yellow, and I have the vintage cherry with me. Now, spec-wise, we've all come to know with the juniors and specials, it comes with the beautiful slab mahogany body, your good old trusty mahogany tone wood, mahogany neck, rosewood board, your Gibson Vintage Deluxe tuners, Graphtag nut, 22 frets, couple of soap bars, the wraparound tailpiece, and yeah, your black top hat knobs. Now, this guitar sounds immense. I'm going to get right into it. I'm running through my Soldano Astro 20. If you're wondering why the front grille is off, it's because it was vibrating a lot and I had to unscrew the thing. It's going to the orange vertical 2x2 cabinet being mic'd up by 2 SM57s, and there's a touch of reverb in the effects loop because I love it. And this is the neck pickup, clean tone. Now the both soap bars combined. Funky. Bridge pickup. Insane, right? Now let's go to an edge of breakup tone. Butter. Just to mention as well, this is right out of the box. The factory dust is still on it. It's quite smooth. Both pickups. What key do I want to be in? Bridge pickup. Now, a little more gain, but what I'm going to do is, with this little gain, I'm going to gradually roll up the volume pot, okay? This is full blown, okay? Cleaning it up. So you're kind of in tune. Now the bridge pickup similarly. I'm so impressed now. The highest of gains, right? There you go, guys. The Gibson double cut Les Paul Special plays like butter. I'm super impressed. I'm loving it. Leave a comment down below on what you think about the tones achieved today. Today. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Ciao!